In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight blank cells in Microsoft Excel. So I have an Excel document here and it's one sheet, and I have some blank cells that I would like to highlight with a color. I'm just going to click anywhere here in a blank cell. I'm going to select this entire sheet. So on the keyboard, I'm going to hit Control A and I have selected the entire sheet. So you want to make sure that you're on the Home tab here, and on the right side click on Find and Select. There's a drop down arrow here. I'm going to click on it, select Go to Special. A dialog box opens and I'm going to select Blanks. Click OK, and all the blank cells in this Excel sheet are highlighted. Now I want to type something in these blank cells, so I'm going to type blank on these cells, but you can type anything you would like. And I'm going to hold down the Control and the Enter key on the keyboard. And now all the blank cells have the word blank written on it. Now I can also add colors to these cells. So to do that, I'll click yellow, since yellow is the default here. And now all the blank cells are highlighted with yellow. So this is how it looks. So here's another way that I can highlight blank cells in an Excel sheet. So you want to make sure that you select the entire sheet, and if it's a column, you can just select the column. So I'm going to select the entire sheet, and to do that, I'll hit the Control and A key on the keyboard. So my entire sheet is selected. Now I want to make sure that the Home tab here is selected. Click on the drop down arrow on the Conditional Formatting tab. Scroll down, select New Rule. Select Format Only Cells That Contain, and under Format Only Cells With, click on the drop down tab here. Select Blanks. Click on Format, and I'm going to choose a color. I'm going to select green here. Click OK. Click OK. So all the blank cells on the sheet are highlighted with the color green. So you can also highlight errors in an Excel sheet. So to do that, I'll hold the Control and A key on the keyboard. So the entire sheet is selected. Click on the Home tab here. Click on the Conditional Formatting drop down arrow. Select New Rule. Select Format Only Cells That Contain, and under Format Only Cells With, click on the drop down tab and select Errors. Click on Format. I'm going to choose a color. I'm going to select red. Click OK. Click OK, and the cell with the error is highlighted. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.